So what are you looking for?
Just want to move right in.
Well, lucky for you, there's nothing that needs to be done at this 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo. All you need is your toothbrush.
I brought my toothbrush.
Welcome to this fabulous gourmet kitchen that's waiting for you.
And the spacious dining area. Generous 2,055 square feet.
2-car attached garage.
3 bedrooms.
2 bathrooms.
With one of the bedrooms functioning as a den. Imagine sitting here.
Enjoying your cup of coffee.
Cheers.
Cheers. Don't let the lack of toothpaste stop you.
We're going to provide that too.
Stop.
Give us a call.